we just opened one, and this is who we got.
Oh.
So let's get this open. So we got
Kermit.
Kermit the Frog.
Alright. Oh boy. Who was that?
Piglet.
Oh, Piglet flew.
Adorable.
Piglet flew.
That's he went. Don't snatch either.
Mickey Mouse.
So adorable. Ah! Okay.
Oh boy.
We're having a mess up here.
Oh. We don't have him. It's Stitch. I think that's the last one we needed, Evie. Yeah.
We're only done with our character.
Yeah.
We're done.
With the Academy? Yeah, we're done with
Okay.
Academy. Yeah.
Okay. So
That
this
one was
Wait,
it.
Can we give this to the lady? We'll
No.
have
Here.
one.
Yeah. Look. So this is the last guy
And
we
this
needed.
is a double. We should give this.
Stitch.
Oh my gosh! This
Is that Susie?
adorable.
Oh no. Tiana.
Yeah.
All right. Well, this is what we got.
Oh.
All right. Thanks for joining us.
Bye-bye.
Bye.